Hello guys, TBT Watches is here. Today we are going to show you how to change the battery in Gucci watch. This Gucci watch comes with 4 screws in the back that we gotta have to unscrew. The model number is 1142 code reference. Code reference is 1142, and the watch is pant count, Gucci pant count. Okay, in order to open the watch, you'll need, of course, the screwdriver. In this case, it's going to be the Phillips screwdriver. So we'll have to work on the watch, unscrew the back. Okay, that doesn't work. Let's see. Alright, just opened it. Okay. Phillips screwdriver. We're using the Husky brand. Screw number 2. Screw number 3. Screw number 4. So the face comes out just like that, and the battery here, in this case this is just a regular battery, because this is some customer's watch and we don't think this is an original one. That's why don't take it as a official battery number for this model, because we don't believe this is a real original Gucci pant cone. We might be wrong, but obviously we can't say like with a 80% sureness that this is not an original watch. So the battery we're putting is 364, is the same as 377. Just the difference is that this one is a thinner shape. The 377 or 626 is a thicker one, and the number is interchangeable with all of those numbers: 364, 621, 377, 626. Pretty much you can put any of them. The brand is Maxell. Maxell is a Japanese brand for batteries. As we already said in our old videos that we never had any issues with those types of batteries. They never leak. Alright, the watch is running, and we are in a watch business for 10 years. It could be redundantly repeated in our other videos, but we are not sure if you watched them all. So we gotta put the screws back and tighten them. Don't tighten them too much before you are sure that you are putting them in the right positions. We do it in a way that you screw the first over here and then over here, and then from here to here is like a cross screwing. This way most likely you will be adjusting the screw holes accordingly, and they are going to be nicely fit with no issues. So basically it's two screws which are kind of like fixing the whole thing, putting the whole thing together in terms of the adjustments with the back of the watch and the case of the watch. So once all of them are tight and nice, we can just go ahead and set the time on it. Right now it's 2 p.m. 17 minutes past 2 p.m. and the date is 25th of July, Miami time. So that was a battery change on a Gucci Pantheon by TBT watches. If you liked the video, please put the thumbs up and share it with your friends who are in need of learning something. Hopefully it was useful. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. TBT watches.